What's your name, bro?
By the name I go George Frank Bruno, but they call me George Katz Effect.
Okay, great, George.
Yeah.
So, what do you do, and how long have you been in this industry, and what kind of services do you offer?
Okay, I'm a hairstylist and a loctician as well. I'm a barber. I've been in the industry for the past, let's say six years strong, but 7 years. There's 1 year in and out. There's a try and error, but 6 years strong in the industry. I provide the haircuts. I do hair dye. I do dreadlocks. I also do braiding, and mostly I deal with the haircuts and beauty stuff. Yeah.
So, bro, what's your way of dealing with disappointment, and have you ever faced any?
Yeah, actually, when you're fresh in the industry, there's always a lot of disappointment.
Mm-hmm.
Like, let's say, for example, you get a customer, he wants a style that doesn't suit him.
Okay.
But now you'll have to do your thing because customer is always right. That's number one thing. But at the same time, we usually do try to advise customers. So they usually deal with this stuff. When I get such challenges, I try to talk through customer first.
Okay.
Like I try to give an advice,
Mm-hmm.
just as a stylist should do to a customer before doing anything the customer requested. Try and recommend a style for the customer. Okay,
Okay.
that's the first thing. The second thing, I try to talk through, like give him steps on what to do,
All right.
just to be specific. But at the end of it, if the customer insists that's what he wants, always deliver. But sometimes when you're shaving, bro, it gets tricky. There's a style you might want to do, but you reach a point you fail to do it. So fixing it might take you one step behind, but you always fix it. But that happened to me the first 2 years, but not anymore.
Okay,
Yeah.
great. Yeah, good to hear that.
Yeah.
There are challenges everywhere.
Yeah, of course.
In everything that you do. Yeah. Oh, what made you choose Oman over Kenya?
The reason why I chose Oman, okay, GCC is a very peaceful place. That's for a fact.
Yeah, for sure.
But Oman is welcoming, bro.
Yeah.
Oman feels like home.
Exactly.
Like
I do agree with you.
Oman feels like home. And again, I wanted to spread my wings.
Okay, great.
I've been in Kenya for 4 years, but I felt like it's time I take it out.
Good.
I was looking, I was doing my research. Okay, everyone always talks like, dream country in states, but I said no, I'll make my states in Oman.
Yeah,
that's why I chose Oman, and ever since I came, trust me, I feel welcome, I feel blessed, and I feel upgrading as well. Yeah,
I do understand you. Of course, it's always nice to go outside the box, or what they say, thinking outside the box.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah,
you
and
spread
doing
your
something
wings.
differently.
Yeah.
Bro, which advice can you give to the young generation, the upcoming young generation who would like to be or to join hairstylist and either being a barber or something like that?
Okay, as for me, I'll just say one thing to the people who want to be beauticians, hairstylists, barber, or loctician. Just follow your dreams, bro. That's one thing. Secondly, don't think the game will just turn out to be good in a 1 year or 2 year thing. Investing in yourself is one of the most key things I've done to myself, because building a brand doesn't come easy, bro. You take your time, and you also focus on everything you're doing. Try and make it, okay, no one is perfect yet, but try and make it by your perfection. At the same time, bro, discipline is everything.
Exactly.
Discipline is everything to guys.
So, bro, as we are almost winding up, so how do we reach you? Do you have social media accounts? Do you have your a mobile number or something that we can reach you out if you want?
Yeah, I have my Instagram and TikTok. I'm soon coming to YouTube, thanks to my brother behind the camera. So on Instagram, you can find me at George Katz Feds. On TikTok, at the same George Katz. And if you want to find me on WhatsApp, it's 94689335. Location, I'm in Al Hel, Muscat, Al Hel South. But I'm soon introducing the global cuts, I'm soon I do home service for now, but I do it within Oman. But very soon I'll be spreading my wings. As I told you, I came to Oman to spread the wings. I'll be spreading my wings to the whole GCC and everywhere you want to get me. Just reach out to me through Instagram and we'll talk and discuss more about it.
So we wish and we pray that your dreams and your plans will come true.
Bless up,
And
bro.
any last words to the people out there?
I just want to say thank you to all the people who have welcomed me in Oman. I want to say thank you to all the customers I've been serving for the past almost 2 years now since I came to Oman. And I want to say, let's keep on doing the good work and let's keep on supporting the brand because you know what it is, bro. It's George Cats effect to all the ladies and the men outside there. Just get me through Instagram and you'll see the magic that we do. Come enjoy the magic at the seats with George Cats effect.
Thank you so much, bro. Of course, will be putting all your social media account and handles on the screen down there,
Yep.
and the mobile number in case anyone want to reach you, and also the email and everything will be in the link in the
Yep.
description of this video right there. So thanks so much, bro, for your time.
Thank you so
And
much.
see you on the next, bro.
Thank you. Bless up, bro.
Thank you.
Thank you.